the ruler on the miter saw extension arm accurate if you're cutting a miter?
That might be a better question for you.
The extensions themselves are calibratable. So once you get it, you can calibrate it. So anywhere I put, can I walk over there?
Yeah, go ahead, do your thing.
Anywhere that I put this, if I've got it set at 27 inches, that will be exactly 27 inches to the blade. There's 3 screws underneath here I can loosen up, and that allows me to move this back and forth, so that dimension is exactly what it says on the tape.
So Brent, what is your workflow? Do you zero it out before you start a project? Is that the right terminology that you would do something
I would
like that?
calibrate it. Yeah, so when I first get the extensions put on the Kapex, I calibrate it to this saw.
Yep.
And then all I have to do, Gary talked about pulling out his tape measure, I never have to pull out a tape measure. All I have to do is just set my flag stop. That's the dimension that I want.
First calibration, you're dead solid, you're good to go from there.
Right.
Gotcha. And then, so this is, I think of this as a portable setup. I can move this in and out.
Yes.
Every time I move it from one room to the next or inside to out, do I recalibrate?
No.
No.
One time and you're done.
One time and you're done.
Right.
Awesome. All right.